In today's video, we'll try to learn about the composite supply. For this, we took an example. You can check the example from our description link. According to our question, we have to put an entry of selling AC with a packaging expenses. For this, I have to make the packaging expenses first because I don't have any packaging expenses in our ledger. So I'll make this create, then go with ledger, then make it packaging expenses. Expenses made in indirect expenses. Inventory values not applicable. Type of ledger not applicable. Include accessible value made in GST. It will be on goods and services because packaging expenses is a service. So services, and the method of calculation, it will be based on value, and GST applicability, it will be not applicable. So just press enter, accept yes. The ledger creation is complete. Now I will try to pass the voucher entry. So come here with voucher, then go with F8 because we want to make a sales entry. So F8 sales is selected. Then the party name, I want to sales SC Maharashtra. So I'll select SC Maharashtra. Keep press enter, and the sales ledger will be the sales. Name of item, for seeing the name of item, press spacebar. Then select the name, which is AC. I want to sell 5 AC. The rate is automatically taken, and if I press spacebar here, I just can see the name of items, not the packaging expenses. You can see like this. So I will made it end of list and press enter. Then I have to press spacebar. Then I can see the IGST, CGST and other details and with the packaging expenses. So I'll select here packaging expenses. Now I have to put the percentage, which is I want to add 2%. 2% is for a rate, it will be calculated on rate 85,000 per pieces, where the price of AC, and 2% was the packaging expenses, which is round figure is 8,500. Now I want to add the GST, which will be IGST. So I'll select IGST. It is already calculated because I already enabled the automatic calculation. If you want to make any GST bill, made it yes, otherwise made it no. New reference, just keep press enter. If you want to put narration, put it here, otherwise just keep press enter. Accept yes. If you enter here, the entry will be saved. So I will press enter. If you want any UI bill, made it yes, otherwise made it no. The entry is completed. Entry is saved. Now if you want to any changes, then you can change it from the vouchers and putting the date, etc. I don't want to put any changes, so I'll just skip this, and entry is ended here. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.